Sumbut mitrang ba kajela ba pay utran budi ba pustun tusong ong ba kakali ki ba khiatang hapo khandai ton bat ki ba jirong 8.5 meter kila ban ya na Jingkieng yam yakani wa juwa ba ke jingkali ba wan ra do MLA ka mare mo ba la ke mendemboi haro ke jikhang ya kali he na ke Jingkieng yam ba pustun ong ba ke jing penjari kalong ban khanglat ya ki kali he ba ke niat yang ke Jingkieng ke ba sunjor haro ke jingkali ba renik ton el tongkhal ba pustun ong ba ki tu ki kali ritru ki bala palat ke jingkit ya ke jingjrong kum uplang ki sej om Shah ban ya wala ki duna ke jingkia hapo khandai tondo haju kapor wa ong baka DPA bercena ikrok fullin na yam Shah Shillong kadang ya hapo ke jingkrek kan HIDCL kanang ban pelait no ban ya ke kri na ke Jingkieng
height limit of 2.80 meter and only single axle vehicles with gross weight not beyond 9 metric ton are allowed to ply on the bridge. B and C Sir DPR for four-laning of Barapani Shillong Road is under preparation by NHIDCL.
Sir, what is the logic behind restricting the height limit of 2.8 meter when there is already the prescription that the limit is 9 metric ton? So what is the relation between the height and the height and the weight?
For example, like night super. Night super, the height of the night super is beyond 2.80 meters. So therefore, ultimately, we said that the height also has to be prescribed accordingly to prevent any unseen, unfortunate incident in this particular bridge.
So,
a number of initiatives is being taken up by the government. Sir, number one, in fact, we are about to complete the one project. One VIP road which is under construction, and the total length of this road is about 23 kilometers connecting to Umroi Airport, and the total length of this road is about 23 kilometers connecting to Umroi Airport, and the completion of this project is more or less to be completed by the end of this year. And once this is completed, because this road is intermediate lane approach, and once this is completed, sir, I'm very sure like night super and even the heavy trucks can ply through this new approach road which we already under construction and to be completed within this year. So this is one part, and then the second one is even the other initiative that we have taken. In fact, we do have even that road Maudiang which connects again the Shillong bypass. Though the distance is little more, but people can even use that approach coming to Shillong or going out of Shillong to prevent of going through the Yam bridge. Four-laning project. So this particular project, which is also to be, sir, the alignment of this proposed new road, and this particular project, which is also to be constructed in four-laning project. So the starting point of this particular alignment starts from just nearby this what do you call that botany? What's that? Near that near that agriculture ICR, from ICR, near the ICR, then it will go to MECL land, it will touch MECL land, then again it will come down to the industrial estate, the industrial park over there, and it will come again, it will touch downstream of the existing bridge in the dam, and again the survey will come up to Martin side, sir. It will come to the Martin side, and the connection, ultimately the connection of this four lane will be disposed of near the Umshirpi bridge. Entire stretch of this proposed four-laning approach to Shillong will be the elevated route. It will be the entire stretch is elevated route, sir. Long Western Bypass, the project is on, and I'm happy to inform the honourable members in this August House that the project will be completed as stipulated, and the progress of work is highly satisfactory, sir.